Hey, second graders, welcome to day 25. You guys have had, I'm assuming, a very good week, full of lots of learning and lots of fun. And I'm excited that it's Friday and you guys can go into your weekend on a good note. So let's make sure we do that. First of all, for Zoom meeting today, it is at 1. We are going to be wishing Brendan a happy birthday. His birthday is tomorrow. It's Saturday, but we're going to wish him a happy birthday a day early. And don't forget to bring some work for this week you are the most proud of, or share your favorite moment from this week. Either is good with me. So just excited to see how your week has gone. For reading today, you can choose any of these activities. You can read this I'm All Right poem book on here. If that is not really looking like something you want to do, you can also get on ABC Mouse, Adventure Academy, Raz Kids, or read through the high frequency word list, or of course read a book of your choice. So go ahead and make your choice of what you'd like to do and do that for 20 minutes. Although, if you would like an extra challenge, I would say 30 because we're second graders and we can totally do that. So pick an activity and get started. Go ahead and hit pause. All right, welcome back for writing. Today you are going to be writing me a letter. Telling me what you did this week. You could be talking about what you did in reading, writing, math, science. You could share your favorite part of the week, something silly that happened, something exciting. You could even share with me if something kind of didn't go quite right this week, because that's life, right? Sketch a picture to go along with your letter. You also don't have to pick just one of those things. You can tell me maybe something you did in math that you liked. You could share with me something silly that happened, and then your favorite part also. You can do as many of these as you want in your letter to me. And again, you don't have to do this, but I really do like to see these letters. So if you do want to take a picture of your letter so I can see it, make sure it's really bright, and I'll read it. So I'm excited to see what you do. Go ahead and get started. When you're finished, you can do a handwriting page, of course. And then meet me back here for math. So go ahead and press pause, go to slide 4, and get writing. All right, you guys, welcome back for math. Today's a really, really fun lesson. I love teaching this. I'm bummed I don't get to teach it to you in person, but I found a really cool video that I bet a lot of you watched in first grade called 3D Shapes. It's called These Are the 3D Shapes That I Know. You might have heard of it. But you're going to be watching this. So go ahead and watch this, and then so go ahead and press pause, go to slide 4, watch this video, and come back for your activity today. All right, welcome back. So today you are going to be, if you're doing the activity, there's some important terms for you to know. For the activity today, you need to know 3 terms. One is the edge, and you'll see the edge is this long kind of edge of the shape. It's not the corner, because the corner is called a vertex. The edge is where your sides, your faces meet. The face is the flat side of your shape. Okay, so the edge is kind of like the side of the edge of the shape. So those are the terms you need to know. You probably know vertex because we used it for 2D shapes. But for the edge, that's where your faces meet. The face is the flat side. Those are the 2 terms that are probably new to you that you want to remember when you do this activity. And for your activity today, you are going to go grab a dice, a cereal or a rice box, some kind of box maybe from your pantry, and some kind of can from your pantry. You are going to record the amount of sides, so the edges, again, it's not the flat side, that's called the face. The edge, the kind of like the side of each of those items, how many vertices there are, and how many faces, flat surfaces, you count on each one. So you might want to get out a piece of notebook paper, jot down the items, and then write how many sides, vertices, and faces each of them have. And think about it after you're done if you notice any patterns. And when you're done, you can play this geometry game. It's kind of tricky because some of your computers might not like it. I kind of had a hard time with mine. And if it doesn't work, then don't worry about doing it. Okay, so if you're doing that activity, go ahead and press pause and get started. If you are doing the math workbook pages right here, you will see it is mostly about cubes, so it's not all about 3D shapes. So what I would encourage you to do is definitely doing number 1, and you can circle where the cubes are here, but also if you want to have the extra challenge of jotting down the 3D shape above each of these, that's fine too. And then coming down here, it's more cube practice. So again, it's cubes, 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 which is only one of our 3D shapes, but we'll get to know them really, really well. So go ahead, whichever activity you're doing, press pause and get started. When you're finished, you can pick a fluency activity. You can do subtraction stacks, which you know, or get on Fact Monster. Okay, go ahead and hit pause and get started. And welcome back for science, you guys. This one I've been really excited about. Again, I'm disappointed I don't get to do it with you, but you guys, I have no doubt that you will be so creative and have so much fun with this today. Today you are going to be building your monster from your design yesterday. Hopefully you kept in mind the objects you have around your house, or even if you planned for an object that you don't have around the house, it's okay if you don't have it. But try to make your monster that you designed yesterday, you're actually building it using materials around your house the best that you can. You might have some glue, you might not, you might have tape, you might not. Just do your very best and be creative, be problem solvers. That's what we practice every day. Don't forget the criteria. Hopefully you kept that in mind when you designed it. The toy must be some sort of monster. The toy must be flexible. The toy should have smooth parts and fuzzy parts, and the toy must be strong enough to hold together on its own. So keep those things in mind. And that's it for today. Again, I'm excited to see you guys for our Zoom meeting today. It should be good to go. And we're going to be wishing Brendan a little happy birthday. So yeah, I'm excited to see you guys. I hope you have a great, great, fabulous Friday, and I will talk to you guys later.